You're looking at a 2018 Tesla Model S 100D all-electric with 39,000 miles. This vehicle comes loaded up, ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, 100 kilowatt hour battery, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, still under full factory warranty until the end of August. Front trunk, storage. Leather interior, all weather mats, navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, premium connectivities, monthly enhanced autopilot. So upgrading to full self-driving is $6,000 versus the regular $12,000. Air suspension, premium sound, cold weather package, tech package. It's got every option conceivable. Panoramic roof. Actually, no stories. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301. Thank you.